Hey there, curious minds. Today, we'll be exploring the exciting world of measurements. Ever wondered how we can easily switch between metric and imperial units? Well, get ready to unravel the mystery, because we're about to embark on a journey of measurement mayhem. First things first, let's break down some key terms. Metric units are those used in the metric system, like meters, grams, and liters. Meanwhile, imperial units, like inches, pounds, and pints, are commonly used in the United States and some other countries. But fear not, we're here to make sense of it all. Let's start with something simple. Imagine you're baking your favorite cookies, and the recipe calls for 250 milliliters of milk. Now, if we want to convert that to imperial units, we know that 1 milliliter is approximately equal to 0.034 fluid ounces. So, 250 milliliters would be about 8.5 fluid ounces of milk. Easy peasy, right? Now, say you're planning a road trip and need to fill up your gas tank. Your car's fuel tank can hold 40 liters of gasoline. But wait, the gas station measures fuel in gallons. No problem. We know that 1 liter is roughly equivalent to 0.264 gallons. So, 40 liters would be approximately 10.5 gallons of gas. Time to hit the road. But where else can this knowledge help us? Picture this: you're at the grocery store with your family, and you need to buy some fresh fruits. The sign says apples are £2.99 per pound, but you're used to buying them by the kilogram. No sweat. Remember, 1 pound is about 0.454 kilograms. So, you quickly calculate that £2.99 per pound is roughly £6.60 per kilogram. Now, that's smart shopping. And there you have it, folks. We've unlocked the secret to understanding and using approximate equivalences between metric and imperial units. Whether you're baking in the kitchen, fueling up for an adventure, or shopping at the store, knowing how to convert between these units opens up a world of possibilities. So, until next time, keep exploring and keep learning.